before. Now I see the road of leading lights, showing me where I should go and what to leave behind. There is always time to get back on track, tearing down the walls slowly every step. Now I see myself building up a world of bridges. You will find a way to begin again. No return to waste or to play pretend. Now I see myself building up a world of bridges.
ja suur aplaus Kristlin Palits oli teie ees Now I See Myself tantsuga. Järgmisena ma palun lavale tulla aga Lilit